Big question today: will digital wallets replace traditional banks? Let's dive in. For centuries, banks controlled money deposits, loans, savings, all under their roof. They were the gatekeepers of finance. But the game is changing fast. Smartphones are now becoming wallets. Apps store, send, and spend money instantly. No paperwork, no long queues, just tap, scan, and pay. Digital wallets are rising everywhere. PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Alipay. Millions already rely on them daily. Even in developing nations, mobile money apps are replacing banks. Think M-Pesa in Kenya or GCash in the Philippines. Convenience is the biggest driver. People want speed and simplicity, but this is more than convenience, it's about control. With digital wallets, users own the experience. They choose the app. They track spending in real time. They often get better perks, cashback, rewards, loyalty points, something banks rarely offered. Directly, younger generations are leading the shift. Gen Z barely visits bank branches. For them, finance must be mobile, always in their pocket, always one tap away. Traditional banks are nervous because digital wallets cut into their role. Transfers no longer need wires, payments skip the credit card middleman. Even remittances are faster. What used to take days now clears in seconds. So, are banks doomed? Not exactly. Banks still provide stability. They hold deposits under regulation. They issue loans on a massive scale, something wallets can't yet match. But banks are adapting. Many now partner with wallet providers. Others are launching their own apps. Chase, Citi, HSBC, all in the digital race. Central banks are also watching. Some are testing digital currencies, known as central bank digital currencies. Imagine having a digital dollar or a digital euro in your phone, issued directly by the government. That could shake things up for consumers. Choice is expanding. Pay with a card, phone, or crypto wallet. The future may not be either or, it may be all of the above. But digital wallets do pose challenges. Security is one. Hackers target apps daily. Losing a phone could mean losing money, unless protections are strong. Regulation is another challenge. Governments want oversight, especially with cross-border transfers. Wallet providers must comply with anti-fraud and anti-laundering laws. Another question is trust. Banks built trust over centuries. Wallets are still building theirs. If a wallet fails, what happens? Is your money insured? Who do you call for help? These are questions regulators are asking still. Momentum is undeniable. Digital wallets are here to stay. In fact, they will only grow as cash use declines globally and as online shopping keeps booming. Even big tech is betting big. Apple and Google want the financial layer because finance locks users in. The battle is no longer banks versus wallets, it's who will adapt fastest, who will win customer trust, who will offer the smoothest experience for you, the user. This is good news. More competition means better services, lower fees, faster payments, smarter tools. The future of banking is not branches, it's not ATMs, it's digital. The question is how fast the shift happens, and who leads the new financial era. Because one thing is clear, finance is going mobile.